Twain drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain drive installation completed. Double-click to run the software. Enter the main interface. Add a new patient and click Capture Single. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. Click Twain and other devices, and click the installed XV sensor Twain while choosing the image source. Click Intraoral X-ray (IO) while choosing the image type. Click OK to enter the acquiring interface. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, and the software will display Ready. Then, align the X-ray machine with the sensor covered by an aluminum plate and start the exposure. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, a software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select XrayVision and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the exposure position. After the software displays Ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After the acquisition, click Return Image to upload the images to XrayVision. Operation completed.